And welcome back. Now those adhesive that you saw earlier are very tough to take off, and I managed to take it off. So my understanding is take whatever adhesive, whatever layer that is on the surface itself, take it all, make sure it's clean. So this is the cleanest I can get it. Let me put to the light. Let me try to focus the thing. Yeah. So this is the front side where the user will look at the display. This is the bottom side. So let me put it in wow glare. So yeah, this is the bottom side, this is the front side where we see the tool itself. So I had to use a mix of chemical. The let me take off the glare. The this is okay, not that strong. Then later on I had to use this PCB cleaner. It's not thinner, it's a bit lighter than thinner, but it's thinner is too strong. But I found out this is actually some sort of glass, so that kind of chemical is not harmful for this thing here. So I also use a bit of wax polish for guitar. This is, I'm not sure what's this, like a Canuba wax. So I had to use some of the some finger rubbing action. You know, our finger, that is not blood, don't worry, that is the marker. I had to put some marker there. So you know, our finger surface is also abrasive, but very light abrasive, so you can put some there, some of the wax there, and then rub. That's why it's called rubbing compound, I guess, just now the white color thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna use let's clean it first. Okay, make sure this is, yeah, it has the step over. That is the bottom side. We need to stick the I'm going to use this aluminum foil. So I'm gonna find the cleanest spot here, which is somewhere in the middle here, and I'm going to pause temporarily, don't worry. Welcome back. Now this is quite interesting. This is the viewing side of the LCD. If I put a white background, so it looks normal. If I put the aluminium side, it's gonna look like this. So not sure whether how to do this. Whether I put a white paper there, it's gonna look normal. So I imagine the digits is gonna be black, so it would look nice, look normal. This is how you see a unoperated LCD display most of the time. So yeah, not sure. So yeah, worst comes to worst, I can take the aluminum foil off. So yeah, I'm gonna proceed to putting this. I'm not gonna do this on camera, just to report this this interesting finding. And yeah, by the time you're gonna see the next video, everything is already the aluminum foil is already attached or adhered to the display itself. Yeah, see you on the next video. Okay, I putten is there a word? I've put the aluminum foil there, and looks okay. There's a bit of unsmoothness there, but I don't care. So we're gonna put this quickly before my phone battery runs out. So this is the yeah, okay, this way, and this thing, yeah. So put this here. Put the elastomer also might have some problem, maybe shrunken a bit, could be, yeah. It's not the same up and down, so I should have looked through, because the elastomer is flat on one bottom and it's not flat on the opposite side. So yeah, where's the mark? Okay, marker is there. So let's align this. Find the screw, small screw. This one. And this one, I think. No, it's this one, these two. Okay. How to do this? Okay. Forgive the technique. Okay. I guess this is. Okay, it's aligned itself very well. All right. Snug, I guess. Let's see whether this is a success. Okay. Looks alright. Yeah, without the burnout. Okay, let's just put. Yeah, might as well put all the screws. And one more. Daughter board, VR is on the bottom. Okay. Okay. Battery. Okay, let's try. Bismillah. Moment of truth. And we have a failure. We don't see anything. So, but positively, I'm glad to not see maybe something wrong with the elastomer, those kind of thing. Yeah, but it looks much better than before. Looks normal and nothing burnt. So I may say this repair time is half success. The success part is I've overcome the fear of dealing with the LCD display. I got an hands-on experience, and that would be valuable in the second attempt or another attempt on my multimeter and the CU standard audio impedance meter. So that's all I can say. The result of this repair attempt is positive, and I have to say I've overcome the fear of doing it. I can now feel how the successful people feel, and yeah, I think that's about it for this video, and thank you for watching this fail attempt. Could be something to do with the elastomer. It's not contacting very well. I'm gonna give this another look behind camera, and yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, and bye bye.